In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pull data from Wikipedia into Power BI using two different methods. First, we'll explore the built-in Get Data feature with the web connector, and then I'll introduce you to using a specialized connector or API. Let's dive into our first method. When you want to pull structured data from a Wikipedia page into Power BI, one of the most straightforward approaches is to use the Get Data web feature. This method is completely free and especially effective for tables that are already formatted within a Wikipedia page. Before we start, make sure you have the Power BI desktop application opened and ready to go. First, you'll want to click on the Get Data button located in the ribbon menu at the top of the Power BI interface. From there, select the Web option. This will prompt a dialog box where you'll need to paste the URL of the Wikipedia page that contains the table you want to import. As an example, let's consider using the UEFA European Football Championship page with the URL https://n.wikipedia.org wiki UEFA/European Football Championship. After you paste your URL in the dialog box, go ahead and click OK. What Power BI will do next is fetch the content from the page and present it in a new dialog known as the Navigator window. Here, you'll see a list of tables that have been detected on the page. Browse through these to find the table or tables you're interested in. Once you spot the right one, take advantage of the preview feature to ensure that the data meets your needs before proceeding. If the data looks good, but you notice it requires a little tidying up, don't worry. You can click on Transform Data. This will take you into the Power Query Editor, where you have the opportunity to clean and shape your data as necessary. Consider operations like renaming columns, changing data types, or removing rows and columns that aren't needed for your analysis. Once you've made your adjustments, click Load to bring the refined data into your Power BI model for analysis. One of the greatest pros of this method is that it involves no extra cost and is quite simple to execute. However, there are also some downsides to consider. You're limited to the data that Wikipedia provides, and sometimes the formatting or structure of the data might need considerable cleanup to suit your needs. Additionally, keep in mind that any updates to the data will depend on your refresh schedule, which might not always capture the latest changes in the Wikipedia entry immediately. As you can see, pulling data from Wikipedia into Power BI using the web connector is an accessible and powerful way to incorporate external data into your analysis. Next, we'll delve into using a specialized connector or API, offering even more versatility and control over the data import process. But for now, give this method a try and see how it can enhance your data projects.